Healthcare product provider Henry Schein down today after missing earnings estimates. With more than 70% of the company's worldwide sales coming from North America, Henry Schein is looking to expand globally, particularly into China. We'll talk about that and a lot more with CEO Bergman, who joins us now in a CNBC exclusive interview in celebration of 30 years at the helm. We were just talking about how rare it is to have a CEO running a company for 30 years, Stan.
Yeah, I guess that's rare. Happy to do it and planning on doing it for a while longer.
And not bad for a 1,200% total shareholder return over that period. What's so sexy about selling dental equipment?
Well, it's really all about the people. We have a great management team. It's a great market. Of course, we know that good oral care is good for healthcare in general. People that take care of their teeth have a healthier, longer life. And we're in a very, very good market. But we have a great team that's been behind this company for decades.
How have things changed over the 30 years structurally in terms of dental care? Some reports I read suggest that millennials are less interested in spending money on keeping their teeth healthy than previous generations.
Yeah, I think that's true to some extent. Having said that, there's much more focus today on specialty products, implants, replacing in other words, not pulling out the tooth and using dentures, but using implants, putting bone regeneration around that. Aligners are very, very important. Endodontic treatment, killing the nerve, is very, very important for the baby boomers. So I think that plus the digitalization of dentistry, the whole workflow in the dental office has changed significantly. We're actually in very exciting times now as oral care advances in this digital era.
How much exposure do you have as a company to health insurance reimbursement policies and things like that? I wonder about the attention on that area in the way of rebates and how the whole supply chain works.
Yeah, I don't think it impacts us from a product point of view. However, we are really campaigning for insurance companies to understand that oral care can result in better health care. Wellness and prevention is far more important than treatment. And oral care is a key NCD, non-communicable disease component, that can help with the length of life, life expectancy, and the quality of life. And so there's a huge opportunity for oral care.
The current debate going on right now, Democrats battling over what Medicare for All means. Does any of that affect you? And how do you see changes to our healthcare system evolving into the next election and beyond?
Yeah, the comments on healthcare for all, the exact debate is not something that we focus that much on. But we are quite optimistic that oral care will receive greater coverage over the years to come.
Do the China concerns, does it prevent you from wanting to commit new investment into that market to grow?
We've been quite successful in China. I mean, it's a small base. Having said that, the middle class is growing. There's an understanding both by the people and by the government of the importance of oral care. And we're today quite an important player in advancing oral care in China. So we remain optimistic given this expanding middle class that is educated and understands the importance of oral care.
Stan, thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Stan.